Spiritual Manthan.
Welcome, seekers of transformation and dreamers of a brighter future. In the vast tapestry of life, we often find ourselves navigating through challenges, yearning for a life brimming with success and fulfillment. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the profound principles that can turn our dreams into reality. Join me as we explore the transformative realm of the law of assumption, a force that, when mastered, empowers us to manifest anything we desire. The foundation of belief. Beliefs are the invisible architects of our reality, shaping the contours of our lives. The law of assumption, a principle popularized by Neville Goddard, posits that these assumptions, whether conscious or subconscious, construct the world we inhabit. As we navigate the intricate web of challenges that life presents, understanding the power of belief becomes paramount. Consider the profound simplicity of Henry Ford's insight: whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. In this concise wisdom lies the key to unlocking our latent potential. Our beliefs act as self-fulfilling prophecies, establishing the limits of what we can achieve. To master the law of assumption, we must first recognize and appreciate the profound impact our beliefs have on the unfolding narrative of our lives. Belief, then, becomes the foundation upon which this powerful law operates. It acts as the soil in which the seeds of our aspirations are planted. If we believe in our capabilities and envision success, we set in motion the forces that align with that reality. Conversely, doubts and self-limiting beliefs act as barriers, impeding the manifestation of our deepest desires. In this section, we'll explore the intricate dance between belief and reality, understanding how our convictions mold the clay of our existence. We'll delve into the ways in which self-awareness and intentional shaping of our beliefs can lead to transformative shifts in our lives. The journey to mastering the law of assumption begins with recognizing the potency of belief as the cornerstone of our personal reality. Shifting perspectives. The journey toward mastering the law of assumption requires a conscious effort to reshape our perspectives. Wayne Dyer's timeless wisdom, "Change the way you look at things, and the things you look at change," encapsulates the essence of this transformative shift. The lens through which we view the world determines our responses to challenges and opportunities alike. Cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility emerges as a powerful tool in this paradigm shift. Instead of fixating on limitations and scarcity, we can choose to perceive every situation as laden with opportunities. This shift in perspective allows us to approach challenges with optimism, creativity, and a resilient belief that solutions are within our grasp. This section delves into the art of changing perspectives, exploring practical strategies to adopt a mindset that attracts success. By consciously redirecting our focus from what is lacking to what is abundant, we tap into a wellspring of creativity and resilience. Through anecdotes, exercises, and real-life examples, we will unravel the transformative potential that lies within the intentional act of shifting our perspectives. Practical steps to manifest your dreams. Step 1. Clarifying desires. Manifesting our dreams begins with a clear understanding of our desires. In this initial step, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, reflecting on our goals and aspirations. Napoleon Hill's wisdom echoes through the ages, reminding us that desire is the ignition spark for all achievements. By taking the time to articulate our deepest desires, we set the wheels of manifestation in motion. Reflection becomes a potent tool in this process. What do we truly want to achieve? How do we envision our ideal future? The more specific and vividly we can imagine the desired outcomes, the more resonance these aspirations will have with our subconscious mind. To aid in this process, creating a vision board or a visual representation becomes a tangible reminder of our goals, reinforcing our commitment to their manifestation. Step 2. Visualization. Visualization emerges as a dynamic practice in the journey to manifesting our dreams. This step involves not only seeing, but experiencing the desired outcomes in our mind's eye. As we close our eyes and create a mental image of ourselves living the life we desire, we engage all our senses to make the experience as real as possible. Visualization serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it clarifies our desires, creating a detailed picture of what we want to manifest. Secondly, it allows us to cultivate the emotions and beliefs associated with our desired reality. By vividly imagining our success, our subconscious mind interprets these scenarios as real, initiating a powerful alignment between our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Step 3. Affirmations. Affirmations act as the bridge between our conscious intentions and subconscious beliefs. These powerful statements, when repeated with conviction, reinforce the assumptions that shape our experiences. Whether our goal is to start a successful business, improve relationships, or enhance personal well-being, affirmations become the verbal manifestation of our desired reality. For instance, if the goal is to become a successful entrepreneur, affirmations like "I am a successful entrepreneur," "I attract opportunities and abundance into my life every day," "My business grows and thrives" align our thoughts and beliefs with the desired outcome. Louise Hay's insight, "Every thought we think is creating our future," resonates here, emphasizing the profound influence of our affirmations on the unfolding narrative of our lives. Step 4. Acting as if. Bridging the gap between our current reality and our desired outcome involves embodying the qualities and habits of the person we aspire to become. In this transformative step, we act as if our dreams have already come true. If the aspiration is to become a successful writer, this may involve dedicating time each day to writing, attending writing workshops, connecting with other writers, and visualizing the experience of signing books at a bookstore. By embodying the envisioned success, we create a powerful alignment between our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. This alignment is crucial in manifesting our dreams, as it propels us toward the reality we are actively assuming. The process of acting as if serves as a bridge, bringing us closer to the manifestation of our desires, by reinforcing the belief that these aspirations are not just attainable, but are already a part of our unfolding reality. Overcoming limiting beliefs. The journey to mastering the law of assumption demands a fearless examination of the beliefs that may be holding us back. These limiting beliefs, often ingrained through past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt, act as roadblocks on the path to manifestation. In this section, we embark on a quest to identify, challenge, and overcome these barriers to unlock our true potential. Limiting beliefs manifest in various areas of our lives, casting shadows on relationships, careers, finances, and self-worth. They often disguise themselves as self-critical thoughts, doubts, or fears, perpetuating a narrative of inadequacy. By taking the time to scrutinize our beliefs, we bring these hidden barriers into the light of conscious awareness. Examples of limiting beliefs include phrases like "I'm not smart or talented enough to succeed," "I don't deserve happiness and abundance," or "I always fail at everything I do." In this section, we'll explore the common threads of these beliefs and understand how they contribute to a self-fulfilling prophecy. Recognition becomes the first step in dismantling these mental barriers, opening the door to a more expansive and empowering narrative. With the limiting beliefs laid bare, the next step involves challenging their validity. Are these beliefs serving us, or are they hindering our progress? This process demands a courageous confrontation with the stories we tell ourselves. By questioning the foundation of these limiting beliefs, we create space for alternative narratives and perspectives. Evidence becomes a powerful ally in this journey. Seeking instances where our beliefs were challenged or contradicted helps break the shackles of self-imposed limitations. For instance, if the belief is, "I'm not intelligent enough to succeed," acknowledging past achievements, seeking inspiration from others who have thrived in similar circumstances, and reframing the belief as I am capable of learning and growing in any field I choose transforms the narrative. Negative self-talk, the subtle yet insidious language of limiting beliefs, must be replaced with empowering affirmations and supportive self-beliefs. This transformative shift involves consciously choosing thoughts that align with our aspirations rather than perpetuating a narrative of self-doubt. As Tony Robbins wisely stated, it's not the events of our lives that shape us, but our beliefs as to what those events mean. This section guides us through the process of identifying, challenging, and overcoming limiting beliefs. Through introspection, reframing, and the intentional adoption of empowering beliefs, we pave the way for a profound transformation. The journey toward mastering the law of assumption demands not only a reshaping of our assumptions, but also a courageous confrontation with the beliefs that may be constraining our true potential, patience, and trust in the process. Manifesting dreams through the law of assumption is not a sprint, but a marathon. This section emphasizes the crucial virtues of patience and trust in the process. Rome, the eternal city, was not built in a day, and similarly, the realization of our dreams requires time, dedication, and steadfast commitment. Ralph Waldo Emerson's timeless wisdom resonates here. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature unfolds in its own time, with a rhythm that is both deliberate and unhurried. In aligning ourselves with this natural flow, we come to appreciate that our dreams, like the blossoming of a flower, unfold at their own pace. Patience becomes the guardian of our dreams, shielding them from the impatience that may arise when results are not immediate. It's a reminder that the seeds we plant today may not sprout tomorrow, but with nurturing and time, they will inevitably grow. The law of assumption operates in the realm of divine timing, and our role is to trust in the unfolding process. This section explores the nuances of patience in the manifestation journey. It delves into the challenges of remaining committed to our vision when tangible results may seem elusive. Through stories of perseverance and triumph, we'll draw inspiration from those who embrace patience as an ally on their path to manifestation. Commitment becomes the steadfast companion of patience. As we patiently nurture our dreams, commitment anchors us in the vision we hold for our lives. The law of assumption requires not only the initial spark of desire, but a sustained flame of commitment that withstands the tests of time. In embracing patience, we learn to appreciate the journey as much as the destination. Each step, though seemingly small, contributes to the unfolding narrative of our lives. The wisdom lies in understanding that the journey is an integral part of the destination, a tapestry woven with threads of patience, commitment, and trust. Surrendering to the flow of life. To fully embrace the law of assumption, we must venture into the profound practice of surrendering to the flow of life. In a world that often demands control, surrender becomes the courageous act of relinquishing the need to micromanage every aspect of our journey. As Lao Tzu eloquently expressed, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Surrendering involves releasing the tight grip of control and trusting in a higher power or the universe. It acknowledges that there is a grand orchestration at play, guiding us toward our dreams with a wisdom that surpasses our limited understanding. In surrender, we find freedom from the burdens of trying to control every detail, freedom from anxiety about the unknown, and freedom to simply be. This section explores the art of surrendering and the profound transformation it brings to our manifestation journey. It involves letting go of the need to control every aspect and surrendering to the natural rhythm of life. Nature, with its timeless wisdom, accomplishes everything without haste. In surrender, we align ourselves with this natural flow, allowing our dreams to unfold organically. Surrender is not a passive act, but an active acknowledgement that there is a divine intelligence guiding our journey, It's an invitation to trust in the unfolding process, even when the path ahead seems unclear. As we release the need to control, we open ourselves to the unexpected and invite serendipity into our lives. The journey of surrender involves cultivating a deep sense of trust that the universe is working in our favor, guiding us toward our dreams. It requires letting go of fear, doubt, and the need for immediate answers. In surrender, we find a profound sense of peace, knowing that the intricate details of our manifestation journey are being woven together by forces beyond our comprehension. Surrendering to the flow of life becomes the final key to fully embracing the law of assumption. As we relinquish control, trust the process, and align ourselves with the natural rhythm of existence, we become co-creators with the universe. The journey is not about forcing outcomes, but about allowing the magic of manifestation to unfold in its own time and way. Congratulations, courageous dreamers, on embarking on this transformative journey. As we conclude our exploration of mastering the law of assumption, remember that your destiny lies in your hands, and the possibilities are limitless. Trust in the process, stay committed, and manifest the life you truly desire. As you step into the realm of limitless potential, may the universe conspire in your favor. Best of luck on your extraordinary journey. If you have any thoughts or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me on this inspirational voyage.